as we've known, if you are differentiating a constant, it's going to give you 0. And let's say y is equal to c, the y dx will give you 0. If y is equal to 1, the y dx is equal to 0. If y is equal to 1 million, the y dx is 0. Then if you have y is equal to x raised to power n, the y dx will give you nx n minus 1. So that's the major thing to know about the first two steps. The first two important things to in differentiation. Those are the first two important things to know in differentiation. So we'll just take it bit by bit. Then let's say you have y is equal to 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3. To differentiate this, it's still the same method we've used before. The y dx is equal to 9x. 3 minus 1 is what? 2 plus 4x. You know that 2 minus 1 is what? Now 1, so you don't need to write the 1 on top. Then you have 3. If you differentiate a constant, what will it give you? 0. So is there really need to write the 3? There's no really need to write the 3. So this is what will give us. Then let's say y is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared. Differentiated, the y dx is equal to 6x squared plus 2x. I'm sure you know why it's 2x here. No need to put the 1 on top again. Then let's say there are some situations, like let's say you have y is equal to 2x raised to power minus 3 plus let's say 2x raised to power minus 3 plus x raised to power minus 1. On a normal note, the question will not come like this. The question will come as, let's say y is equal to 2 over x cubed minus 1 over x. 2 over x cubed plus 1 over x. These are the question will come. So they say to find the y dx. Find the y dx. So in such a situation, you still use the same principle we've explained already. The y dx is equal to minus 3 times 2 is what? Minus 6x. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Then minus 1 times plus 1 will give you what? Minus 1x. Then minus 1 minus 1, because you know you are going to subtract 1 from minus 1, so we're going to give you minus 2. So this will give you minus 6. Anytime you ever see minus 4 or minus 1 or minus 2, just know that this x will go down. So because you're having minus 4, it's going to give you x raised to power 4. Then minus, because you're having a minus sign here, a negative sign here, 1 over x squared. This square, x squared, you are seeing here, this x squared you are seeing here, because of this x raised to power minus 2 on top. So this is what it actually happened. So anytime you see minus 1, x raised to power minus 1, you're going to have 1 over x. X raised to power minus 2, you're going to have 1 over x squared. X raised to power minus 3, you're going to have 1 over x cubed. X raised to power minus 4 is going to give you 1 over x raised to power 4. So just note it. So this is what the y dx will give you. So anytime you have, let's say you have x raised to power minus 1 is equal to what? Now 1 over x. X raised to power minus 2 is equal to 1 over x squared. X raised to power minus 3 is equal to x cubed. X raised to power minus 4 is equal to x raised to power 4. Is equal to 1 over x cubed, 1 over x raised to power 4. Then x raised to power minus 5 is equal to 1 over x raised to power 5. Then so these are some minor things to know. If x is equal to x raised to power minus 1, we give you 1 over x. X raised to power minus 2 is equal to 1 over x squared. X raised to power minus 5, 1 over x raised to power 5. X raised to power minus 3 is equal to 1 over x cubed. X raised to power minus 4 is equal to 1 over x raised to power 4. Then also, if you have x raised to power half is equal to square root of x. X raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to cube root of what now? X. X raised to power 1 over 4 is equal to the fourth root of x. X raised to power 1 over 5 is equal to the fifth root of x. So if you have a situation like you have x raised to power 2 over 3, this is equal to, you are going to first of all have the cube root of x, but the thing is that it's going to be x squared because there is this square on the 2 here. So there's this square on the 2. Because of that square on the 2, the x will surely have a square here, then this cube root will appear here. So if you have x raised to power 4 over 3, it's almost the same thing. You just come here, put your x raised to power 4, then third root. That's cube root of x. So x raised to power minus 1 over 4 is going to give you what now? 1 over x raised to power 4, which is 1 over the fourth root of x. So these are some simple things to know. So just try to know this while we go deeply into differentiation.